My name's Aiden, and I'm from 310 Sign. Today we're going to figure out when the best time to rent is versus purchasing. So sometimes your boss might be getting you to use some pretty old and rusty equipment.
What'd you do?
So that's why you can rent from us. You can have brand new equipment ready to go at any time. Owning is a long-term commitment, like you basically marry this equipment. But with renting, it's like having a sneaky link. You can pick it up and drop it off anytime you want to use it and abuse it. So when should you buy? If you're looking to hold something like a job that'll span, maybe a couple of years, then it might make sense for you to purchase.
Is there a project you're working on?
I know more than you.
All right.
So renting has actually more benefits when it comes to accounting and the bean counters per se. So when you buy something, you have to amortize it. There's things like maintenance, upkeep, storage, things that you probably didn't think about.
$26,000 worth of sides? What are these sides? They cure cancer?
Whereas with renting, we take care of the maintenance, we take care of the upkeep, and make sure that your units are always ready to go. So we rent all kinds of traffic control equipment, from aero boards to message boards, traffic lights, light towers, anything you can think of, or anything that you've seen on this show. So if you're looking to purchase, you can visit us at TrafficSupply.ca. And if you're looking to rent, visit us at TrafficRentals.ca. Or you can give us a call at 310 Sign.